Friends, we will be going with the next method, that is trend percentage, how to calculate. In this question they have given us to calculate the trend percentage. Okay, sales, cost of sales, other expenses, financial expenses. Okay, it is according to the format, we need not worry about it. Clear? Now we have to calculate accordingly. Now the first comes what? Okay, revenue from operation, that is what? Sales. Okay, we have to write down, check the columns. Okay, it is whatever they have given, first we have to write down the columns, then trend percentage, that is 100, base year, that is what? We have to take 2015 as a base year. Okay, clear with this? So we'll just change it over here, this is 2015. Clear? Next one will be what? Total revenue. The same amount will come. Then cost of sales, finance cost and other expenses, we have to total up the expenses, okay, which will come over here. Then net profit, how will I calculate net profit? 3 lakh minus 2 lakh 40, and goes with respective years as well. Now here comes a very important thing. What will be taken as base? What we have understood, 2015, this all will be taken as base, that is 100 we have to calculate. This is also 100 itself. Okay, now how I have calculated this? This will be taken in form of what? 4 lakhs divided by 3 lakhs into 100. Okay, because this is taken as base, so that will be what? 133.333. The next one, how did I calculate this? It is 5 lakhs divided by the base, that is what? 3 lakhs into 100, that is 166.66. Similarly goes with this. When we are taking this base, this will be a denominator, as what we have taken it over here. 2016 for sales, 2017, they have given all calculations over here. Clear? So this is what we have to do it, 100, 133.33, and then goes on. So if I want to calculate this, how I will calculate it? This will be 1,40,000 divided by 75,000 into what? 100. So it will be 186.66. Now you can witness over here, what will be your interpretation? That your expenses are going above. Clear? You can check, finance cost is less. Okay, even your cost of sales is increasing. Okay, but not with respect to the percentage of what it is carrying with. Okay, so this is what your net profit is also increasing. That is very good for a company. Okay, and this is what your general working notes, what they have shown to you. Now this is what with assets and liabilities, which we will carry forward with the next class. Thank you.